Most teams don't have an AI problem. They have an operational readiness problem. Right now, a lot of teams are asking, how do we use AI? But that usually isn't the first question they should ask. The better question is, where are our processes unclear? Where is work still being tracked in email? Where do we have approvals that are based on memory rather than actual rules? Where do we have spreadsheets acting as unofficial systems? Who is the one person that knows how everything works and the organization just hopes that that person never leaves? Because if these problems already exist, AI doesn't automatically fix them. AI definitely makes things faster, but faster isn't always better. If your intake process is broken, AI can help you route bad requests faster. If your data is messy, AI can help you summarize messy information faster. If your policies are unclear, AI can help people make inconsistent decisions faster. See, that's not transformation, that's just accelerated confusion. Before an organization invests heavily in AI, it needs to understand its workflows, ownership, data, approvals, documentation, reporting, and governance. See, that is operational readiness. AI can absolutely create value, but only when it's connected to a process that's clear enough to support it. The goal is not to use AI just because it exists. The goal is to improve performance, reduce wasted effort, and make better decisions. So before asking what AI tools should we buy, ask this: are we operationally ready for AI to help? At SolutioNext, that's right where we start.